Visualization is a powerful mental technique that transforms dreams into tangible realities. It involves creating vivid, specific mental images of the outcomes you desire, engaging deeply with your subconscious mind to influence your everyday actions and decisions. This practice isn't just based on wishful thinking. It's supported by both psychological research and centuries of successful application across various cultures and disciplines. By learning to effectively visualize, you harness the potential to shape your life's direction and achieve the goals you set for yourself. In this discussion, we'll delve into the principles of visualization, uncover its scientific underpinnings, and explore practical steps to make your visualizations more effective and transformative. Visualization isn't a new fad. It's a practice rooted in the minds of some of the world's most successful individuals and backed by numerous psychological studies. It involves picturing a desired outcome in such vivid detail that you feel as though it's already happening. This process leverages the power of your subconscious to motivate, inspire, and strengthen your actions towards making those images a tangible reality. To effectively utilize visualization, Visualization involves forming clear, detailed images in your mind of what you aspire to achieve. These aren't just fleeting daydreams, but intentional and focused mental pictures that you regularly revisit. For instance, if you aim to improve your physical health, you visualize yourself as fit, energetic, and active, engaging in exercises and enjoying a vibrant lifestyle. The effectiveness of visualization lies in its ability to deeply embed these images within your subconscious mind. The subconscious doesn't differentiate between what's real and what's vividly imagined. Thus, by consistently feeding it positive and success-oriented images, these become imprinted as feasible goals. Your mind, believing in these outcomes, directs your actions subconsciously to align with achieving the visualized scenarios. Visualization is not just about seeing an image. It involves the emotions and sensations that come with the experience. When you visualize, you don't just see yourself achieving your goals. You also feel the excitement, satisfaction, and joy associated with those achievements. This emotional connection is what powers the visualization, making it a potent tool for not just attracting what you want, but also for motivating yourself to take the necessary steps to get there. The practice of visualization isn't merely wishful thinking. It's a focused and directed mental activity that prepares your entire being, mind, body, and emotions for the path to success. By regularly engaging in visualization, you condition your mind to recognize and act upon the opportunities that will lead you to achieve what you've visualized. This method has been used across various fields, from sports to business, demonstrating its effectiveness in enhancing performance and achieving desired outcomes. Visualization is more than just an art. It's grounded in science. Psychological research and neuroscience provide a solid foundation for understanding how visualization can lead to actual outcomes. Studies reveal that when you visualize an action, the brain generates an impulse that tells your neurons to perform the movement. This creates a new neural pathway, priming your body to act in a way consistent with what you've imagined. This phenomenon is what athletes call muscle memory, and it's a powerful testament to how visualization prepares the mind and body for performance. Neurologists have found that the same regions of the brain are stimulated whether you perform an action or merely visualize it. This brain activity during visualization essentially rehearses the action, building the neural dynamics as if the task were being performed physically. For instance, when a pianist visualizes playing a piece, the same motor cortex that lights up during an actual performance is activated during the mental practice. This prepares the individual not only mentally but also physically, enhancing performance without actual physical practice. These findings are crucial because they show that visualization can effectively substitute physical practice in some scenarios, particularly when physical practice is unfeasible. This ability to train the brain and body through thought alone is a powerful tool for personal development and achieving specific goals. The law of attraction complements the practice of visualization by proposing that like attracts like. What this means in the context of visualization is that by focusing your thoughts on positive outcomes, you're more likely to attract positive changes and opportunities into your life. This isn't just mystical thinking. It's about creating a mindset that naturally aligns with your goals, making you more receptive and proactive in pursuing them. The clarity of your visualizations plays a critical role in the law of attraction. Clear, detailed, and consistent images strengthen your mental signals, and these signals are like magnets. The stronger and clearer they are, the more effectively they attract corresponding events and opportunities into your life. If your mental images are fuzzy or inconsistent, the signals you send out will be weak, leading to less effective attraction. It's also essential to address the power of emotional energy in visualization. The emotions you associate with your visualizations fuel the intensity of the attraction. Positive emotions like joy, excitement, and gratitude amplify your ability to attract what you're visualizing. They not only make the practice more enjoyable, but also increase the overall effectiveness of your visualizations. Understanding the scientific and psychological basis of visualization and how it integrates with the law of attraction empowers you to use these tools more effectively. They are not just methods for achieving goals, but are also transformative practices that can enhance your entire outlook on life, making you more positive, proactive, and productive. By grasping the principles discussed in these sections, you are better equipped to apply visualization in a manner that promotes real and substantial changes. As we move forward, we will look into practical steps you can take to refine your visualization technique, ensuring that you can harness its full potential to manifest your desires. Now that we understand the power and science behind visualization, let's explore how to practice it effectively. Effective visualization is a skill that can be honed with practice and consistency. Here is a straightforward, step-by-step guide to help you enhance your visualization skills. Clearing the mind. Start by finding a quiet place where you can relax without interruptions. Begin with deep breathing exercises to calm your mind and release any tension. A clear mind is like a blank canvas, ready to be imprinted with vivid imagery. Creating specific detailed images. The effectiveness of your visualization depends on the clarity and detail of the images you form. Picture your goal as vividly as possible. If your goal is to excel in a job, imagine yourself in your office performing tasks with confidence and skill. Visualize interactions with colleagues, the feedback from your boss, and even the layout of your workspace. Incorporating emotion and senses. To deepen the impact of your visualization, incorporate emotions and sensory experiences. In the example of excelling at your job, feel the pride in your achievements and the satisfaction of completing tasks. Hear the sounds of the office, the chatter, the clicking of keyboards, and smell the aroma of coffee in the break room. Practicing regularly. Consistency is key in visualization. Make it a part of your daily routine, perhaps by setting aside time each morning or evening. The more regularly you practice, the stronger and more influential your visualizations will become. This process transforms abstract desires into concrete, achievable visions. By consistently visualizing your goals with detail and emotion, you reinforce the neural pathways in your brain, making your actions more aligned with your visualized outcomes. Belief is the cornerstone of effective visualization. You must believe in the possibility of your visualized outcomes to harness the full power of this tool. Without belief, even the most vivid visualizations are just daydreams. Strengthening belief. One way to strengthen your belief is through affirmations, positive present tense statements that reinforce your goals. For example, if your goal is to become more confident in public speaking, an affirmation might be, "I am a confident and compelling speaker." Repeat these affirmations as part of your visualization practice to build self-belief. Overcoming doubts. Doubts can creep in and undermine your visualization efforts. Combat these doubts by writing them down and challenging them with evidence of past successes or positive feedback. This practice helps to reframe your mindset and keep your focus on positive outcomes. Visual evidence. Create a vision board filled with images and quotes that represent your goals. This provides visual evidence of your intentions and serves as a constant reminder of what you are working toward. Believing in your vision and in your ability to achieve it is essential for turning your visualizations into reality. It creates a positive feedback loop in your mind, enhancing your motivation and the effectiveness of your actions. Despite its benefits, visualization is not without its challenges. Many individuals struggle with maintaining focus, dealing with doubts, or integrating visualization into their daily routines.
Here are some effective strategies to overcome these obstacles.
Maintaining focus. If you find it difficult to maintain focus during visualization, try shorter sessions initially. Gradually increase the duration as your concentration improves. Using guided imagery audio tracks or apps can also help maintain focus. Dealing with doubts. Doubts can undermine the effectiveness of visualization. When doubts arise, acknowledge them, but reframe your thoughts towards positive outcomes. Remind yourself of the science behind visualization and the real-life success stories that demonstrate its efficacy. Daily integration. To make visualization a regular part of your life, link it to an existing habit. For instance, visualize while you drink your morning coffee or during your evening walk. This association can help make visualization a more automatic part of your daily routine. Addressing these challenges head-on allows you to fully garb and benefit from visualization. By refining your practice and overcoming these common hurdles, you can enhance your ability to visualize effectively, paving the way for greater success and fulfillment in your endeavors. Integrating visualization into your daily life is key to harnessing its full potential. This doesn't require extensive changes to your routine. Rather, it involves embedding this practice into your existing schedule in a way that feels natural and sustainable. Here's how you can make visualization a seamless part of your day. Morning visualization. Start your day by setting a positive tone with visualization. Spend a few minutes each morning visualizing your day ahead. Picture everything going as planned and yourself handling tasks with confidence and efficiency. This morning ritual can help create a mindset of success and readiness for the day. Visualization breaks. Throughout the day, take short breaks to visualize. These can be brief moments where you close your eyes and envision positive outcomes for upcoming projects or tasks. These mini visualization sessions can serve as mental resets, boosting your mood and productivity. Evening reflection. Use the evening to reflect on your day and practice visualization for long-term goals. This is a good time to reassess your visions and adjust them as needed, ensuring they remain aligned with your aspirations. By making visualization a part of your daily rituals, you reinforce the pathways between your visualized goals and your daily actions, making it more likely that you will act in ways that align with your goals. And as we conclude this exploration of visualization, remember that you possess an incredible ability to influence your life's direction. Visualization is not just a tool for achieving goals, it is a method for actively shaping your reality. Through the detailed images you create in your mind, you can attract the very experiences, relationships, and successes you desire. Every time you visualize, you strengthen your belief in your ability to manifest your dreams. This belief, backed by consistent action and a positive mindset, transforms your visualizations into reality. So accept your power as a magnet for your desires. With practice, patience, and persistence, visualization will become a natural part of your life, bringing you closer to the life you envision. By understanding and applying the steps and principles discussed throughout this video, you are well equipped to use visualization as a powerful tool for personal transformation. Whether you're seeking to improve your health, advance your career, or enhance your relationships, visualization offers a path to not just envision, but to achieve these outcomes. Remember, the journey of visualization is as rewarding as the destination. Each step you take in this journey not only brings you closer to your goals, but also builds your skills in creating the life you truly want. So continue to visualize, believe, and achieve, and your potential is limitless and your power to manifest is immense. Grab it and watch as your world transforms.